Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu cake. Start by prepping your espresso and chilling your mascarpone for at least 30 minutes. Beat egg yolks with sugar until pale and thick, then fold in mascarpone gently to keep it airy. Dip Ladyfingers briefly in cooled espresso and layer them with cream, repeating for 2 or 3 layers. Chill the assembled cake for at least 4 hours before dusting with cocoa and serving. Measure ingredients precisely and prepare mise en place to make tiramisu assembly smooth and stress-free. Use 3 eggs separated, 1 cup sugar, 16 ounces mascarpone, and strong espresso cooled to room temperature. Layering technique affects texture, so dip Ladyfingers quickly to avoid sogginess and spread cream evenly with a spatula. Chill for flavor melding and firmer slicing, then dust with unsweetened cocoa. Work gently to preserve air in the mascarpone mixture for a light tiramisu texture. Use a shallow dish for dipping Ladyfingers so espresso covers, but does not soak them, aiming for 1 second per side. Build 2 to 3 layers, finishing with cream on top for smooth slicing. Cover and refrigerate overnight, or at least 6 hours to let flavors marry, and set the cake for clean, elegant slices when serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.